Dassault Systems 3D Experience Education Center of Excellence in Advanced Composites is the result of a 7-year partnership between Purdue University and Dassault Systems. It is expected that this new level of engagement will bring significant benefits to the two partners and to the global society as we work together to bring the advantages of the digital age to society. Together, we will advance the digital enterprise by developing the human talent essential to this new paradigm and by utilizing the 3D Experience platform to exercise digital twins of complex composites manufacturing and performance to demonstrate the power for simulation of phenomena that are understood today only by empirical experiences. We will work together to introduce those concepts to a wide range of industries within the advanced composites community, from the original equipment manufacturers to the supply chain industries. The focus of the 3D Experience Education Center of Excellence will be to create a learning environment at multiple levels, from advanced research in manufacturing and performance to the engagement of students at all levels needed to build the workforce of the future for Industry 4.0. Let me now share the intellectual, organizational, and physical assets that Purdue University brings to our partnership. The university's commitment to pursuit of world-class research and education is well known, but its investment in the advancement of entrepreneurship may be less known. The legacy of Purdue's land-grant status, however, provides the foundation to our commitment to apply science for the creation of prosperity for society. Therefore, close interaction with industry, and particularly the manufacturing industry, has long been Purdue's goal, and the creation of venues where university and industry interact to their common good, while a new idea elsewhere is vibrantly active here at Purdue University. There's no better example of this concept than that exhibited by the Indiana Manufacturing Institute, a meeting place between Purdue and the manufacturing industry. Constructed in 2015 to 16 with the support of the State of Indiana Economic Development Corporation, and it is located in the Purdue Research Park, just a short distance north of the campus. Today, the IMI has 3 primary occupants in its 60,000 square foot area: the Composites Manufacturing Simulation Center, the Indiana Next Generation Manufacturing Competitiveness Center, and the Dassault Systems West Lafayette office. The Dassault Systems 3D Experience Education Center of Excellence in Advanced Composites will be co-located with the Composites Manufacturing Simulation Center, CMSC. CMSC is a bridge between the academic and industrial communities, connecting the global composites industry and Indiana manufacturing to Purdue University. The CMSC research is driven by industry needs and grounded in academic rigor. It exercises a comprehensive set of simulation tools to model composite performance from manufacturing through retirement. In addition, state-of-the-art manufacturing and characterization facilities provide a one-stop shop for composites design, manufacturing, prototyping, and model validation. The CMSC laboratories closely mirror actual manufacturing processes for aerospace and automotive composites manufacturing, and include automated ply cutting, autoclave and oven curing, CNC tool fabrication, high-pressure resin transfer molding, hybrid compression molding, injection overmolding, and composites additive manufacturing. CMSC has also developed the Composites Design and Manufacturing Hub. It is an online platform that contains composite simulation tools, educational resources, and research results. Launched in May 2013 with the support of Dassault Systems, Boeing, Rolls-Royce, Scitech, and DARPA, CDM Hub provides access to composite simulation tools, or composites apps as they're well known, in the browser. It convenes the composites community 24/7 around education and evaluation of existing and emerging composite simulation tools. Also located in IMI is the Indiana Next Generation Manufacturing Competitiveness Center, whose primary goal is to elevate Indiana as a destination of choice for the future manufacturing industry. NMAC is supported by the state of Indiana with the goal of encouraging an integrated partnership among industry, academia, and government to help prepare Indiana industry workforce and talent pipeline to be more competitive and resilient in the future to assure prosperity of the region. The Dassault Systems West Lafayette office of North American Office Network is also located in the Indiana Manufacturing Institute. The office provides regional training, pre-sales, tech sales, technical support, and consulting services for customers throughout the United States. And it offers a modern open workspace for the staff, a training facility that seats up to 16, and meeting and social areas. The West Lafayette staff consists of 15 engineers, many with advanced degrees and with specific training in advanced composites modeling and simulation.